Hello and welcome. I'm going to be answering NECO 2019 Commerce Objective Past Question 58. A firm can participate in trade fairs by A. Awarding prices to its customers and distribution, B. Displaying samples of its products for customers to check, C. Giving free samples to customers in order to maintain goodwill, D. Inviting customers to participate in lotteries and raffle draws, E. Offering low value item as bonus to customers. So, trade fairs are often put in the same statement with exhibitions, trade fairs and exhibitions. And basically, trade fairs and exhibitions involve display of goods to promote sales. Now, they enable the product. Trade fairs and exhibitions enable the product to be displayed, operated, tested, dismantled, and adjusted. So it involves display of products, and display of products for customers to check is option B. So as we have rightly said, the firm can participate in trade fairs by displaying its products for customers to operate, to test, to also adjust and dismantle. So option B, displaying samples of its products for customers to check, is the way a firm can participate in trade fairs. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Thank you.